Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to enable install unknown apps or allow install unknown sources on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL and any other Pixel devices running the latest Android 16 version. By default, you can only download and install app from the Play Store on your Google Pixel device. If you want to install any third-party application or APK files on your Google Pixel 10 series, you need to allow install unknown application or source related to the category on your device. Let's see how to enable it. Open the app drawer on your Pixel 10 series. Tap the settings app. Tap on apps. Now scroll down at the end. At the end, you can see the special app access. Tap on it. Now again scroll down and you can find the option install unknown apps or install unknown source on your device. Tap on it. Here you can see by default set not allow for all third-party applications like Google Chrome, Drive, Files by Google, WhatsApp. So select any app you want to allow from the source. So toggle on this option. Here you must read this condition. Your phone and personal data are more valuable to attack by unknown apps. By installing apps from this source, you agree that you are responsible for any damage or your phone or loss of the data that may result from their use. So it will explain that sometimes install the third party application or a APK file outside the Play Store is a very harmful for your device. Sometimes it attack your device or lost your phone data also or mail sometimes malware include on your device that will also lost your phone data. So make sure install always Play Store application on your device to save your device. It's quite easy to enable install unknown application or allow unknown sources on your Google Pixel 10 series. That's it. Like it, share it, don't forget to subscribe.